The Pendulum Investigation Kit comes with everything you need for students to investigate all the factors that affect the period of a pendulum. There is a support stand, a pendulum clamp, a 50 centimeter ruler, string, 2 wooden balls, 2 aluminum balls, 2 steel balls, and a stopwatch. One special feature about the set of balls that comes with this kit is the fact that there is a countersunk hole drilled slightly bigger on one side than the other. What this allows is you tie a knot in the string and pull it through, and that knot holds the ball at the center of mass, so there's less wobbling when you actually have pendulum motion. With this set, students can investigate all of the traditional factors that affect the period of a pendulum: mass, length of the string, and angle of release. Since there are 2 of each type of ball included in the kit, you can also have them look at a set of simultaneous experiments. In this case, the same mass but 2 different string lengths, and when I pull them back, they can see how different the periods of the pendulum are. If you want to get more quantitative, you can use the include stopwatch and have the students time how long the period is. When investigating the angle of release, probably the simplest thing that you can do is to just hold the meter stick parallel with the ball, and then just have the students pull it back 2 centimeters or 3 centimeters. You don't need to go that far back, and then use the meter stick in the background as your guide as to how far you pull it back. A more advanced topic that you can investigate with the pendulum kit is the effect of air resistance on the motion. Here I have an aluminum ball and a wooden ball. The lengths are the same of the pendulum string, but when I release them, they are going to move very differently because the wooden ball is so light. The air resistance is going to affect it more than the aluminum ball. The Pendulum Investigation Kit includes everything you need for students to investigate the effects of length, mass, angle of release. It includes all the little things that you need to make the experiment easier, including a stopwatch and a meter stick. The countersunk holes allow you to have the string hold the ball at the center of mass, allowing for a much more stable motion when the pendulum is swinging. The fact that there are 2 of each type of ball included allow you to set up 2 experiments at once, but vary only one factor to see how that one factor affects the period of the pendulum. With this kit, you can also have students investigate more complex concepts such as conservation of energy and the effect of air resistance on pendulum motion.